everyone, welcome back to today's video. I hope you all are having such a good day so far. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite skincare topics here. We're talking about facial mists. And I don't know what it is about a facial mist, but I definitely have a special place in my heart for them. I love them. I love trying new ones. I love testing them out. And I definitely have my absolute loves that I use on a consistent basis. I pull out every single day, and they're just phenomenal for your skin. They're so good. The ingredients are so good for your skin, and you can use them in different ways. You can use them as a toner before you apply the rest of your skincare routine. You can use them as a makeup setting spray, a makeup prep spray. Like, I guess that's why I love them. You can use them so many different ways, and they're super beneficial for your skin. But before we get started with this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the first mist right here, I have mentioned previously, I feel like not for a long time though, but I still keep it in my little facial mist arsenal. It's out on my vanity where I keep all my like daily must-haves. I use this and pull this out all the time. It's the Is Clinical Copper Firming Mist. This is such an incredible product for your skin. It's got the copper peptides in here. It sprays, and how I spray it personally is I actually spray it into my hand, and it actually comes out kind of like a blue. Woo, it's going down my arm. It's very liquidy. It's a mist. You can apply it right directly to your skin, but it comes out with this really light blue kind of look to it. But apply it to your skin. You just have the softest, most hydrated. It balances out the pH in your skin. It preps your skin for the next products in your skincare routine. It's got the copper peptides in it, which are gonna help to stimulate collagen. It also has antioxidants in the ingredients as well, so you're getting that good protection all day long. And again, you can use it as a toner, like in your skincare routine. You can also use it as like a refresher throughout the day over your makeup. It's amazing. I love the ingredients. I'm just getting again back into Is Clinical too. I'm really re-falling in love with this line. They have some really great, really effective products, and this is one of them. The next mist, again, I've mentioned previously in other videos, still using, still loving this product so much. This one's the Replenish Soothing Antioxidant Mist. This one again is so good. I love everything about this. Amazing ingredients. You're gonna feel amazing when you apply this. This one comes out in a nice, very fine mist like so. And like I mentioned, this one has a ton of really beneficial ingredients. It's got your green tea, it's got vitamin C, it's got sea salt, it's got witch hazel, it's got humectants and just really moisturizing ingredients to help boost the moisture in your skin. It has chamomile, which is a natural antioxidant, but I love this refreshing mist. It just kind of rejuvenates the skin. It has those humectants in it to help moisturize and just gently hydrate your skin at the same time. So all in all, great mist. Again, I love this one specifically as a toner in my skincare routine. It's amazing. It also has that sodium PCA ingredient in it, which is gonna help to improve the absorption of following ingredients in your next products to come as well. So I love this one, another great option. Then we have this guy right here. This is the newer love of mine. This is the Fuchs Truth Treatment System, the Biomimetic Priming Mist. I did a whole video with Ben. He's the formulator, the creator of the Truth Treatment line. I did a whole video with him about this product, which I'll link down below for further info, because he, of course, he's the creator of this product. He's gonna be able to talk way more in depth about the ingredients and just why this is so amazing. So I'm gonna link that video with him down below. But again, this is the Biomimetic Priming Mist, and this goes along with this whole Truth Treatment line. This again is gonna actually help to penetrate and absorb the other ingredients of his other products when you mix them together in your hand. Take a little bit of this mist, you can mix it with his vitamin C, you can mix it with his omega, his sea balm, any of those, and it's just going to help to, you know, allow them to penetrate and absorb even that much more. You can also use this with other skincare products to do the same thing. That's what I've been doing as well. I'll take any other skincare serum and mist this with it, and it's just gonna help to absorb it and just penetrate it more. So you can use this with other products as well. You can use this as a mist on its own. You don't even need anything else with it. You can use this mist as your entire skincare routine if you wanted to. Like, you don't have to use it with any other specific products, but it softens the skin so well. You honestly just apply this mist to your face, apply it to the back of your hand, and your skin just instantly becomes so smooth, so soft. It hydrates, it plumps the skin. But what's so amazing is the ingredients. It has really beneficial amino acids, and he also takes, and I'm not even gonna try to word exactly what this is, but it's a specific like minerals from the earth that watch the video of his about the minerals that are in here. It is so unbelievable and so beneficial for your skin, and I swear only Ben Fuchs would like formulate something like this because it's just so knowledgeable and just so different, and honestly it's just so good for your skin. Now this one you guys have seen me use in makeup tutorials. This is the Lilli Aglow Face Mist, and this one I love because I've been using this one with my makeup. So I've been using this with my foundation, which actually I've done with a couple other ones. I've actually taken them and sprayed my beauty blender with them and then applied my foundation. I've done that with the Copper Firming Mist. Oh my gosh, so good. I've done that with that, and then I've done it with another one that I'm gonna share with you later. So you can apply a facial mist like this with your makeup, and a lot of times it's gonna give you a glow, and then you're also getting those beneficial, really good ingredients on your skin with your foundation at the same time. So facial mist, like I said, just can be used so many ways, and I think that's just what makes them so fun. But this I've been taking, just specifically, I use this with makeup. I have not used this on its own as like a skincare toner. But when you use this as a makeup setting spray, you're left with a really pretty glow to your skin. I've been loving it with my foundation. Again, spray it on your beauty blender and then go in with your foundation, and you just get more of a glow to your foundation, and it's just refreshing. This has lavender essential oil in it, which I love lavender essential oil. It's honestly so good for your skin, and it smells amazing, and I just love it. This one is a great way to get that glow to your skin. All right, so then we have the Osmosis. This is the Clear Plus. This is the Activating Hydration Mist. So this is actually absolutely necessary if you use any of the Osmosis serums, if you use the vitamin A serums, if you use the Catalyst products. Those have to be used with the activating mist because of that liposome delivery. You have to spray the activating mist to fully massage into your skin. Like, it's a must, like it's a combination. But you can also use this mist on its own. You can use it as a toner. You can use this as a makeup setting spray as well. The ingredients are amazing. This has radish root ferment extract, so good for the skin. It has plankton extract, which is going to help to moisturize the skin. It has sodium hyaluronate in it. It has glycerin. It has green tea, so soothing, so calming, so beneficial for your skin. Green tea is also a natural antioxidant, so that's a good plus. And then also has beta glucan. Love beta glucan. You guys have been hearing me talk about that a lot lately. I just love that ingredient. It also has bergamot fruit oil, and basically that's it. I love this product though because it's so hydrating, but just in a very light, gentle hydration. It's gonna be good for really all skin types. It helps to plump. It is just such a nice mist. You can use this as a toner on its own, which I have gone through bottles of this stuff and just use it as a toner before my other steps in my skincare routine. But obviously it's really great too if you have the Osmosis serums to spray and mist on your face and then massage the Osmosis products into your skin. But I've been using this Osmosis mist for a long time now. I've gone through many bottles of this stuff. It works. It's great for your skin. You're gonna see the benefits of it to your skin, and it's just a great hydrating, perfect facial mist. I love it. And then last but not least, you guys have been hearing me talk all about this in so many recent videos. It's the Sanita's Moisture Mist. I love this mist. What more can I say about it? You've heard me talk about it in other videos, but just to briefly summarize, it's got beta glucan again. Love that ingredient. It has sodium hyaluronate in here, moisturizing, hydrating, but it's not like moisturizing where only dry skin can use it. It's like everyone can use it. Oily skin, anybody. It's just that great light hydration, but it really plumps and just like you could feel it in your skin. It's got niacinamide in it, another great ingredient for your skin, and it's just fabulous. So those are all my favorite facial mists, my current favorites. I mean, some of these I've been using for quite a long time. Some of them are a little bit newer discoveries of mine, but I do love a good facial mist. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link these all down below in the description box so you can open that up for more info. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging out, talking some skincare with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.